What the hell are these used for? Those are huge. Yeah, it's a camera. I make YouTube videos. You never seen that? Yeah, you could just like put it on the helmet and then there's like a mic and everything.
I've seen it, but I never saw it like that.
Alrighty YouTube, we are back on the KX250 today as usual. The bike's looking super fresh. Right now we're doing the intro in a very random spot. I'm just like in the middle of kind of this person's yard actually, now that I think about it. It's kind of fucked up. But the reason why I'm doing the intro right here is just because I want to go hit these jumps over here that I always like to hit. And just before I hop on the bike, guys, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for last week not getting a video out. I had a bunch of plans to go to my aunt's house and ride all weekend with some of my cousins and stuff like that, but it ended up raining every single day. So this week, I'm going to make it up to you guys. I'm going to be trying to get at least 2 videos out this week. Let me know what videos you guys want to see on this KX250 though, because I actually don't know how much longer I'm going to have it. I currently have it up for sale right now on Facebook. And it's not that I don't like the bike at all, but it's because I might have an opportunity to get a very crazy bike, actually my dream bike, for a crazy deal. So I might end up selling this and trying to get that. But all right, enough of me talking. Let's hop onto the bike and get into some action. This thing feels so good today. Let's hit this little thing. Let's cut through the McDonald's right quick. I'm gonna see if there's anything over here. There's like a few industrial buildings and stuff. So I wonder if there'll be like something cool to ride. What do we got over here? Anything cool to ride? No truck parking, okay. Ooh, just doing some exploring. Bunch of shipping containers back here. What the hell are these used for? Those are huge. Oh my god, what can that actually be used for? I don't know if the video is doing like the justice of how massive those are. I'm drifting. What's even like back here? I've never been back here. Some boats. That looks like a gymnastics place or something like that. It's over here to the left. It almost looks like this place is like abandoned. Like it doesn't really look like they use whatever this place used to be. God damn, there's tons of wood planks and stuff in there. That looks sick. Did you see that, like that little ramp? I don't know if you can maybe see it through the trees again. There's a little booter in there. That looks like it'd be fun, but I would probably go to jail right away. This would be a good spot to do like a top speed test. Or I guess maybe not. I was only like, I don't know, half throttle there and I'm already at the end. This is what's sick about a dirt bike. You can do shit like this. What is in here? There used to be a Dippin' Dots, but I don't know what it is now. Alright, let's get off here before someone walks through. Little wheelie. Oh yeah, baby. Just got a V8. How you doing? She looks mad. So guys, I am super close to 2K subs. I honestly couldn't thank you guys enough. You guys have been showing so much support on my recent videos and it's been helping me out so much. I just finally got that new SD card, so now I can record up to like 8 hours in 2K, so that's super nice. Oh, Big Sammy's is busting right now. God damn. Speed bump. right, let's pull up at the gas station real quick, grab some gas. The police station's right up here though, so I gotta keep an eye out. All right, let's grab some gas real quick. That new back tire has been making a huge difference. This thing feels so much better than it did before. The tire was like damn near bald, so I mean, that would make sense. What time is it? 7:04. Where is the gator? Oh, here it is. That's what I need. I can't be drinking that Prime shit. That shit is so bad. Yes, sir.
What is that on the front? A camera?
Yeah, it's a camera. I make YouTube videos. You never seen that? Yeah, you could just like put it on the helmet and then there's like a mic and everything.
I've seen it, but I never saw it like that.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
never seen it in person.
Right. Yeah, it's definitely not common around here, that's for sure. What's going on, man? How you doing? Could I also just put like $2 on pump 10? Yeah.
What is that, 250?
It is, yeah. 250, yep. It's a KX250F.
Alright, good to go.
Thank you, appreciate it. Have a good one.
You too.
This road is so shitty. So many potholes. She's ripping. So guys, in the beginning of the video, I was talking about what bike I might possibly getting, and I don't necessarily want to tell you guys just because I want it to be a surprise. But let's just say that you guys are either going to love it or you guys are going to hate what I'm going to get. The only thing I'm a little worried about is if my bike sells in time, because I'm going to be pissed if my bike sells like right after that bike sells. Also, the one thing that I did want to tell you guys is that I am trying to sell my BMW to try to get a truck just so I can make tons of different videos for you guys, because right now I'm pretty limited in where I can bring the bike. Well guys, my GoPro just died, so I just brought the bike back to the house. I just got the GoPro charged so I can do the outro. I'm gonna get this thing all washed. It's pretty dirty right now, as you can tell. Be on the lookout for my next video. Next video, I'm gonna be going to rip some trails and some tracks for my first time, and I know a lot of you guys have been wanting to see that, so definitely check out next video when it drops. But until next time guys, peace out.